Hello, estimators. As you guys know, that I have started a series. Today we will talk about the ground floor frame material. Only the frame material. Rest we will talk about our next videos. So if you like my videos, kindly share, like, and subscribe my channel. Okay. Let's start. So as you guys know that I am doing the double story dwelling. Okay, so in this you can see there are two FFL and there is one more FFL. Okay, first of all we have to confirm the height for the frame materials. Like this one is 52.15 finished floor level. This one is your 52.30 FFL. Okay, and the porch area is FFL 52.20. As you guys check that there is the frame, this frame has been come in some part of porch area, so we have to take this frame length as per the FFL of the porch, and the all walls in this wall up to the this area, because as you can see there is a difference. Okay, let us first calculate that what is the difference. Okay, let's jump to the sheet. In this sheet you can check that garage FFL garage is 52.15. Okay, and your main FFL of the dwelling is 52.30, 52.30, and your porch is 52.20. Okay, 52.20. So if you can check, your garage is like 150 down from your main building, and your porch is 100 down from the main dwelling. So if you can check the length of the pines, now come to the length of the pine. As you guys all know that the pines are always taken from the floor level to the ceiling level. So this is the dwelling one elevation, and you can check this is the length of height from floor to ceiling, that is 2.7 meter. As you already know that in Australia there is the pines are come in like this way. Okay, this is the way, like 2.7, 2.4, 2.4, 2.7, 3, 3.6, 4.2, 4.8, 5.4, and 6. These are the generally the standard sizes. Okay, so now what we do, will calculate the frame material for the ground floor. If you can check on your engineering, sometimes in engineering each and everything is given, like what are the material and what are the spacing, which material and the spacing you can use. I'm just giving you a small idea from the screenshot, not for this one, but in all of the engineering this type of notes are generally given. This is the note from very high end building, that is 90 by 45 mgp 12 stud at 450 centers for external wall, and two rows of nogging. As I told you that the height maximum, like these all notes are given. Okay, if there are any special notes, if not, then as per Australian standards you will take 90 by 45 pine mgp 450 center to center for external and your load bearing walls, and 90 by 35 mgp 10 uh, into 600 center to center for internal walls. And one more thing I just want to discuss with you guys, if you take the pine of any area where the volatiles are coming, like volatile are coming in this area, volatile, then this pine you will have to take the center to center distance of not 600, of 300. Okay, you always take the center to center distance for this area where the volatile come, 300, because when the tiling work need to be done at site, okay, that should be stick, like some of the trades want that the tile should be perfect, on the frame. Okay, so this is the one thing. This is our what we take according to the trade, because as per Australian norm, we have to give 0.600 center to center distance for the internal wall. But for this area, we can take the less. Like if we take 0.450 in the internal, okay, for any work, that is permissible as per AS code. That doesn't give any if it is a non-load bearing wall, and still you are taking 450 center to center, so that will be passed by anyone in the Australia. That doesn't matter. Okay, so here we come. This is our outer wall. This is 51.93 meters. So what we have taken 51.99 meters, but this is a 2.7 meter wall, ground floor to first floor of the main dwelling. So we have taken the 2.7 height. And for garage wall, as you guys see, this is the garage wall. Now here, from here, there is the difference between this slab and this slab. This slab is 150 down from this slab. So this area where the timber has been come for the external wall, like this is also external wall, it can be taken it will be taken as external wall for the garage. So it is 450 center to center, 11.53 meters. Okay, so we take 11.53 meters, but the height is always above 2.7, because there is a difference of 150, which is a significant, because the tolerance is not more than 5 as you guys know. If you are new estimator, then you should check with the ES code that maximum of 5 of the tolerance we will take in any estimate, not more than that is permissible. So what we take now, we take the 3-meter pine for this area, and for this area we also have to take like this frame. Okay, let me mark this one. Okay, for this frame we will take the same 3-meter for the external wall, load bearing walls. Okay, now there is one more thing. If you can, some in engineering it is always mentioned with a different color, that what is the load bearing wall over there. Okay, if you can check, there is a dwelling above, this is the line of the above dwelling. Okay, but I don't have the engineering for this, but we just give a guess for this one. This wall which is standing behind beneath this two area, this should be the load bearing wall, because the whole load of this area should be come over here, so we'll take it as a load bearing wall. Okay, and for this one, this wall should be at the load bearing, so we'll take it as a load bearing. Okay, as you guys I have told you earlier that the load bearing walls are always also taken as 450 center to center. Okay, so we have taken 450 center to center for both the walls, that is 2.70 and 2.15. So we have completed that into 2.7 meters of the height. Okay, so now if we can calculate, we have calculated this internal walls also. Okay, in this here is a 6.573. Okay, and here is the wall, and here is the 8.30 meter linear meter of the wall. If you can check, I have taken the door in this only. We haven't take waste. We won't take any wastage like 10%, 5% in the frame. We take the wastage like only one length, or if you can check, there is a +2 length. Okay, there is no length, because we are sure of this. But in some time we need some extra timber for any packing or anything else like need to be done, so this should be considered as a wastage. But you can check that the total building height is 27. Okay, and the door height is 2340. Then the remaining area should need to be like we have to create the whole frame over here. So the nogging we need like to cover up the base and the top, this whole area, because there should be any like there must be an if you can check the engineering, there is that the internal always standing upon the your like studs, bearing studs or jam studs. We will talk about this on next video. What are bearing studs and jam studs? Okay. For right now, we are talking about just frame material. Okay, not the full frame material, but just the material for the walls. So after that, we will take the bottom plates. Okay, bottom plates, as you guys know, that all the walls have the bottom plates. So we have to take, like, you. I have taken the 6 meter for all of the linear meter. So I have covered the bottom plates. Now, if you can check, like, sometime it is bottom plates has been done. Now there comes the top plate. As I told you guys that according to this screenshot, okay, if you can check, okay, here it is mentioned that top plates are two. Okay, in some drawings it is mentioned that there is a two top plate if there is a heavy load on the wall, or else, like in this ring. I don't think so that it needs, because as per AS codes, it doesn't need any like double top plates. So I haven't taken the double top plates, or else it is mentioned in your engineering that top plate is single or double. Same, we take the ribbon plates only for the bearing. Uh, this bearing, like load bearing walls. Okay, external walls are also load bearing walls for this. Okay, and we take that 6 meter because they cover up the whole top plate, ribbon plate. Okay, now come to nogging. As you guys know, I told you the example of this. Like, here it is written, like, you need one row of nogging or two row of nogging. But as per the height of this building, I know that, and you guys also know that it only needs single nogging from base to top in the ground floor. So we have taken the single nogging. Okay, or single nogging for this, or it depends that what is written in the engineering. You have to study the engineering very thoroughly, each and every page from their front legend, from their whole each and everything. You have to just go through with the each and every section, each and every thing written in your engineering drawing, which has been provided by engineers. Okay, you just consider that also. Okay, now let's jump to this. So here's the corner studs. Okay, corner studs are used as, these are external. There are external corner studs. Okay, we take the corners of the building, external corners of the building, uh, where one stud is always come to complete the corner. Okay, if you can check, there is one stud is coming from here and one stud is coming from here. That the corner need to be completed. So we just complete that with this the corners. Then we take the internal stud corners. Okay, external and internal stud corners have a difference. Difference is that this wall has one corner. This is an internal corner. This is an internal corner. This one is also internal corner. This is internal corner. This is internal corner. This is internal corner. This side, and this is also internal corner. This one is internal corner. So these are the corners. Each and every corner in the internal walls will be taken like this. Okay, and if they are connected with the like this wall has been connected with your main external wall, then this is also a corner. Okay, and I think so this will be also taken as your load bearing wall, because if you can check, uh, this there should be any wall above this, and the wall above the wall is always a load bearing wall. You guys know that. Okay, and it will be definitely mentioned in your engineering that which wall is your load bearing and all. Okay, in this, now we have that junction block. As you guys know that junction blocks are always taken with your external and internal corners. Okay, your junction blocks are taken like, you can check. Okay, after that, there is the mid window trimmer. That is always mentioned in your drawing, that what is the mid window trimmer section, that generally for the any long window coming in the kitchen. Okay, if you check, the section will be provided. I will, in the next video I will tell you what are the sections. I will take the sections for you. Okay, For today, I have this much only, and now we will do complete all the frame and the sections and all, and tomorrow. Okay, if you like my video, kindly like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you have any comments, do let me know. If you want, like, if I have said something wrong, so you guys should tell me that I will definitely work it on. And if you guys know that in this series I need some drawings, if you permit, I will give you 5 costs, free of cost estimation, just for the drawings. You let me give me the consent for this. Thank you. Thanks a lot, and have a good day. Bye bye.